This is my review of the GVB-WG 4K wide angle action camera and Feyiu WG wearable gimbal bundle. So this retails for $450 on Amazon currently and comes with a myriad of accessories. It comes in two pieces: the box of the camera and then the wearable gimbal, because they're two separate brands. So the camera comes with an assortment of accessories, as you can see in the video. The camera itself is very light and easy to use. It has a mode button on its front, a record button, and then an two up and down buttons on the left hand side. On the bottom it has a removable battery, which just has a little cover over it, and then you just pull out the battery. Easy to do. I wish it was done a little better because you could easily lose the latch that the battery's covered with, but it works alright. So on to some test footage. In this shot, the GVB camera wins because it has higher depth when you look at the ice. When compared to the GoPro, you notice the snow is a little darker, and that's better, frankly. When you go by this brick over here, you'll notice that the wide angle of the GVB is much bigger than that of the GoPro. The GoPro is much more flat, whereas the GVB is a lot brighter and more vibrant. In this comparison, you'll notice they're about the same. Now, on to the color comparison. This is this Datacolor Spider Checker 24. It has 24 bits of color that you use for color calibration. None of these shots are color calibrated, but as you'll notice, GoPro is a little more true to life, whereas the GVB is ready to go and easy to edit from that color. It doesn't need any adjustment, whereas the GoPro does. Comes with a variety of mounts, and you can even use GoPro mounts with this handheld gimbal combo. It's 3-axis, which means X, Y, and Z, you're always staying focused. As you can see in this video, I can pan, tilt as normal, and then the camera stays perfectly focused. Now, there's different modes for the gimbal. The first mode lets you move it from left to right, and the camera moves with you. When you go into the second mode, this is also enabled for moving up and down, so you can move it down and the camera will move down with you and it will stay stable in that downwards position. Now the third mode is where it gets interesting. When you push it into the third mode, all your axes are locked, so you're able to move it all around and have it remain completely steady and facing in one direction. The camera can also be pushed into an upside down mode. By pushing the function button 3 times, it flips over and then you can wear it upside down. This is useful for mounting it on a drone or such things like that. gets about 3 hours in the battery time, and it works really, really well. The battery is accessible by a little compartment, as you can see, and when it's removed, the batteries just come out easily and then they pop into their charger.